marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake until 7:30 p.m. At 5:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots from 35 nautical miles west of Winthrop Harbor to 57 nautical miles west of Wilmette Harbor, moving northeast at 60 knots. These thunderstorms will be near Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake around 6:20 p.m. Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, around 6:20 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass.